Alright, so we just got this new repair kit. We're gonna test this baby out. Here's everything it comes with. We've got a tire with a nail in it. We're gonna yank this bad boy. See how good of a job we can do here. Alright, so we're going to yank it out and then ream the hole.
We're going to ream it. It's going to be fun.
These are the needle nose that were provided.
And I'll ream it. Oh, it feels so good going in. Oh,
Damn.
I love it. I love it. Makes me feel like a man. Oh, it feels so good. I'm in.
Right.
I'm in
Now
there.
we put this on this tool and put a little lube on there to get it in. You like the lube, Father?
Arnold would love you. Shove it in, son. Get it in there.
Oh, dang.
All your strength, man. You got muscles like me. Shove it in there, son. Shove it. Oh, it feels good, don't it?
Twist it.
You gotta twist it while you're in there. Oh, it feels so much better. A little more penetration makes the job go easier.
Right, twisted it. I'm going to rip it out.
Oh, we're gonna rip it.
Boom.
Is it done?
Now we just cut the tip off.
Oh, it feels good to cut the
does.
tip off.
Boom. The link is in the description if you want to buy the same kit. Also, this video contains affiliate links. Is there a knife there to cut it off?
He's got the knife.
You don't want to have it sticking out.
He's done circumcised it.
They are. Beautiful.
Circumcised.
Your patch job is done, sir.
Oh, circumcised and everything.
Boom. And we just used one of these.
Oh,
Got a lot left.
it's selling this so easily.
And
We had
then
a
this
hard
was
time with the penetration.
a lube right there.
The penetration was a little difficult.
This old
You
man
got
is
the
jokes.
penetration.
Simple as that.
Yeah, then it went all the way in. Oh, thank you, Lord.